Hello class. Today we shall learn about electrochemical cell. So to understand it, first we shall try to understand what is the need of a cell in an electric circuit. What is a cell means its chemical composition, its symbol, types, etc. Secondly, we will try to understand the concept of electromotive force, EMF, denoted by small e. Next, we shall try to understand what is the cause of internal resistance. Next, we shall try to understand what is terminal potential difference across the cell. And finally, we shall develop a relationship between EMF E, terminal potential difference V, and the internal resistance R. So to understand the need of a cell, let us consider a resistance R. Now here are 2 points across the resistor R, A and B. The potential at A is VA, potential at B is VB. Let VA is greater than VB. That is the potential difference across AB, that is V, is VA minus VB. Now the current flows through the resistor R according to Ohm's law. I is equal to V upon R. Now this current will flow, I is equal to V upon R. This current will flow till then this V is not 0. As soon this V becomes 0, which means VA minus VB, that is VA is equal to VB, the current also becomes 0. So to maintain the potential difference at A and B, there is a need of a cell. The symbol of a cell is a longer line and a shorter line. Longer line shows anode, shorter line shows cathode. Now this is a circuit and this cell supplies electrons or charges so that the potential at A and B is maintained. Potential difference at A and B is maintained, means current is maintained in the circuit. So cell is a device which maintains flow of current, a device which maintains flow of current through a circuit. So the action of a cell is just like an electric pump. It pumps charges from lower potential to higher potential and maintain the potential difference across the resistance. A cell comprises an electrolyte, two electrodes, one is positive called anode, another is negative called cathode. And in a cell, the chemical energy of electrolyte and electrodes, thus converts into electric energy in terms of the potential on these electrodes, cathode and anode. When the cell is not supplying current, means current is zero, then the potential difference across electrodes is its EMF, electromotive force.